Hey there, in this video I am going to show you how to delete unused apps on your Android phone to free up your storage. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone, go to settings. Once you are in the main settings page, your phone, scroll all the way to very bottom, then locate the device care option, tap to open them. Once you are in the device care page, go to storage. In the storage page, scroll down again. Here you can see the unused apps option at the very bottom. Once you found them, simply tap on it to open the page and wait to open it. Now you can see all of the unused app listed there. For my phone, show up is 4 apps. If you want to delete any app, simply select the app. After that, tap on the uninstall button, then tap again to complete the uninstall process. However, if you decide to, you can delete all unused apps at once. Simply select the all button, then tap on the uninstall all option at the very bottom, then confirm it, and you have successfully uninstalled them. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, also subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friend. Goodbye.